Hello, the Random Zap here. This is a really quick ass video that I made. Maybe a minute or two. I will explain real quickly how I made this. I'm gonna explain to you how to make a leather pouch, to be precise. Uh, First you need leather, yada yada yada, leather string or leather, yeah, pretty much any type of leather string, wax string. You put it together. You cut it into the way I did it here, and you sew together. What I didn't do correctly was I didn't plan on the last part of the pouch at the end. It was a little bit of a struggle. What you want to do is punch the holes into the front part of the pouch and tie those together first to make the coin pouch, and then the other pouches just conform. It's pretty easy. Pretty easy and basic. All you need to do is understand what size you're trying to make it. I made mine big enough to hold a phone and maybe a few other things, especially having coins in the front pouch. It's really not much to it. I hope this video helps a little bit. So, and gave you a little tip on how to do so. So, I'll see you all next time on the next video. Sorry about the short video. I just wanted to do this because I thought it would be amusing. Goodbye!